Hello and welcome. Let us show you how we are adding the ruffles to our DOTTIE bloomer pants. This style has a lot of options, as you can make the bloomers with pockets and no ruffles, little ruffles around the top. Or you can add wider ruffle pieces like here also along the bottom to make it look like a little mini skirt. At the top we've added the stitching lines in order to pull in the elastic and cord later. Please have a look at your sewing pattern for the exact lines. As for the ruffles, do mark the attachment lines on your pants. Then cut your ruffle strips to a length of about 140 centimeters. Sew them together at the short ends to create a circle. You'll add two parallel gathering lines along one long side and pull the threads in order to gather the fabric to the diameter of your pants. Attach the ruffles with a decorative zigzag stitch and remove the basting threads after. For this blue version, we added one more ruffle than in your pattern on the back of the pants in order to create the illusion of a miniskirt. Now use the first and third encasing to pull in elastic, secure in your desired width and comfortable waistband size. Use a cord to thread into the middle encasing and add metal end pieces to that. Please reference your instruction booklet for all instructions and steps to make these beautiful bloomers.